I'm a 45-year-old CS mom of two. How do I stay in shape even when I'm traveling? Number one, 7 hours talaga ang tulog ko palagi. Pero pag nagta-travel at masyadong busy, I don't go below 6 hours. Otherwise, magki-crave na ako. Number two, always hydrate. Palaging merong tubig para kung nasa labas man, hindi ka matempt na bumili ng mga flavored drinks. Aim for 3 to 4 liters of water every single day. And as they say, no, number 3, exercise. Kung hindi naka-exercise, bawi sa lakad. So, 10,000 to 15,000 steps every single day, kaya always bring your rubber shoes. And lastly, ito yung hindi pwedeng maiwan sa aking maleta, my nutrition. So, I have my supplements with me. Tara! And of course, I bring sachets ng aking protein. And this is plant-based para kung puro karne, di meron tayong pambalanse dyan. At para hindi ako ma-constipate, I always have my digestive cleanse. And kung hindi pa talaga enough yung 15,000 steps, ayan, meron tayong fat burner tea, which I always mix with my water. So are you looking for a wellness coach that will guide you step by step on how to stay in shape wherever, whenever you are? DM me for free consultation.